ImagineArt lets you bring your images to life. To animate your images, open the images in the full view modal. Here you'll find two motion styles. Low motion creates smooth, subtle, and cinematic movement, perfect for calm visuals. High motion adds a more dynamic, noticeable, and energetic feel. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison so you can see how both motion styles differ in intensity and flow. Now, let's move on to manual animation, where you can create videos using prompts. Simply hover over any generated image in My Creations. You'll see the Animate option appear. Click it, enter a prompt, and hit Create, and ImagineArt will automatically bring your image to life. Under Text to Video, simply write your prompt and hit Create. The preview generation is enabled by default. It shows you two start frame variations, so you can choose the one that fits best before generating your final video. Once you select your preferred frame, it becomes the starting point for your video. Simply hit Create again to generate the final animation. You can also drag and drop any image onto the start frame, type your prompt, and hit Create. You can also upload an image directly from your computer by clicking the plus icon, adding your file, and generating from there. To gain more control over how your video ends, you can also add an end frame. This determines how your animation concludes. Next, let's explore the settings. Here, you can adjust your model, aspect ratio, prompt enhancer, audio, preview, time duration, and resolution. Each model has different capabilities and time limits. For example, Google VO3 supports up to 8-second videos in 720p or 1080p with audio. Sora 2 allows durations of 4, 8, or even 12 seconds with audio. ImagineArt 1.0 supports 5-second clips in 720p quality without audio. Seedance Pro supports 3 to 12 seconds up to 1080p quality without audio. And if you're not sure which model to choose, simply enable the new Auto option. ImagineArt will automatically select the most suitable model for your chosen settings, ensuring the best possible output every time. Once you've customized your settings, hit Create, and your video will be ready in moments. Some models, like VO3, Kling 2.5, and Hailuo 02 Pro, come with ready-to-use presets and built-in transitions. Simply upload an image, select a preset, and hit Create to instantly generate a stylized animation. Certain effects require only a start frame, while others use both start and end frames. To download a video, simply hover over the video and click the Download button. Or in full view mode, click on the download icon in the top right corner. Bring your imagination full circle with ImagineArt, turning every idea into a living, moving story.